Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best visual fault locator is probably one of the most important tools for anyone working with fiber optic cables, whether you're a seasoned telecommunications professional or a DIY enthusiast tackling a home network project. This handy device allows for quick and easy identification of breaks in fiber optic cables, saving you valuable time and preventing costly mistakes. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to choose the right VFL for your needs. Number 5. Aluminum Alloy VFL Fiber Tester. This innovative fiber optic cable tester is built with high-quality aluminum for durability and a comfortable grip. Its strong light source ensures reliable testing, making it perfect for professionals. It features two convenient modes, always on and flashing light. This allows for flexible use in various testing scenarios. The pen-style design is both impact and dust resistant, protecting it from damage during use. It's designed for reliable performance in any environment. Enjoy long-lasting power with its impressive 60-hour battery life. A low battery warning ensures you're never caught off guard. Replacing the ceramic core is simple and quick, extending its lifespan and saving you money in the long run. It's compatible with SC, ST, FC, and LC connectors, thanks to its 2.5mm and 1.25mm universal tips. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. What we like. It's made of durable aluminum alloy, offering a comfortable grip and protection against damage. It features both continuous and flashing light modes for versatile use. If you need a reliable and robust tool with extended battery life for various applications, this is the one for you. What people say. It will shoot light 5 miles. This is the device for the job. I have used it on multi-mode and single-mode fiber and it has saved me much time and energy when troubleshooting. It offers an always-on option, as well as a flashing option. Number 4. Visual Fault Locator. This handy tool makes locating faults in fiber optic cables quick and easy. Its durable design ensures it can withstand daily use. It's made from high-quality aluminum, making it both lightweight and rugged. The compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go use. It's compatible with SC, ST, FC, and LC connectors, thanks to its 2.5mm and 1.25mm universal adapters. This ensures it works with a wide range of fiber optic cables. Enjoy long-lasting power with its 60-hour battery life. A low battery warning ensures you're never caught off guard. It offers strong penetrating power for efficient fault detection. Choose between continuous light or a flashing mode to suit your needs. The comfortable grip and pen-style design prevent slipping and make it easy to use for extended periods. It's also crash and dust-proof for added protection. Replacing the ceramic core is simple, extending its lifespan and saving you money in the long run. This ensures consistent performance over time. What we like. This one boasts an impressive 10 km detection range, making it perfect for extensive fiber networks. Its durable construction and user-friendly design ensure long-lasting performance and ease of use. If you're working on large-scale projects and value durability and simplicity, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The light performs as well as one's 10x the price. Laser is super powerful. Good quality aluminum. Puts a light down a fiber, has LC adapter. Number 3. VFL Fiber Optic Tester. This handy fiber visual fault locator helps maintain fiber optic cables and wiring. It efficiently pinpoints cable defects, making repairs a breeze. It won't harm the fiber or transmitter end face. Plus, its output power stays consistent, regardless of voltage changes. Its compact size and lightweight design, complete with a carrying pouch, make it perfect for on-the-go use. It's energy efficient too. With a detection distance of 50 km, it's ideal for extensive fiber testing needs. You can cover a lot of ground. It's perfect for various applications, from integrated wiring systems to optical telecommunications and beyond. It's a versatile tool for many industries. This pen-type design makes it incredibly user-friendly. Simply point and check for faults in your fiber optic cables. What we like. With an exceptional 50 km detection range, it's ideal for long-distance fiber optic testing. Its precise identification capabilities ensure accurate fault location. If you require a high-range, portable solution for extensive fiber networks, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Works great. Longest I have tried is about 10 miles, but it was so bright I could see it flashing 25 feet up in the air at dusk. We had to check the fiber from one building to another. The building was over 1 mile away and the light was visible through the dust cap. I am waiting to see how far it will go. Works great on quick checks on long fiber runs even in a dirty dusty environment. Makes it easy to identify working pairs of fiber. Number 2. Moocci VFL Fiber Tester. This innovative tool makes identifying fiber optic issues quick and easy. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use in various applications. It quickly pinpoints breaks, poor connections, or bends in fiber optic cables. A bright glow highlights the problem area for easy identification. It boasts constant power output, adapts to multiple interfaces, and features a low battery warning. It's perfect for on-site testing and troubleshooting. Its universal connector works with ST, SC, FC, and LC interfaces, regardless of cable shape. This makes it incredibly versatile for various fiber types. This tester offers a powerful output signal for long-distance detection. The stable power supply ensures reliable performance. It's built with a stainless steel head and aluminum body for impact and dust resistance. The grounded case further protects it from damage. What we like. This kit includes 2 visual fault locators and adapters, offering great value. Its efficient design and multiple functions make it perfect for various tasks. If you need a cost-effective solution with added convenience and versatility, this kit is for you. Number 1. VFL Fiber Optic Tester Kit. It accurately pinpoints fiber breaks, bad connections, bends, or cracks. The bright light helps you easily trace the fiber and identify any issues. This handy device offers constant power output, low battery warnings, and long battery life for extended use. It's perfect for field testing. Its universal connector works with various fiber optic cables, including ST, SC, and FC types, saving you time and effort. With a detection range of up to 30 km, it offers superior performance and efficiency. The stable power ensures reliable results. Its compact, pen-like design and protective case make it highly portable and durable. The sturdy construction protects it from damage. See how easily it identifies problems in your fiber optic cables. Its bright light makes locating faults simple and efficient. What we like. It offers a practical design and a 30 km detection range, making it suitable for various applications. The included adapter enhances its compatibility. If you need a versatile and convenient tool for your fiber optic testing needs, this is a great option. What people say. The tool performs its function effectively and is well designed. Its exceptionally bright light makes it convenient for testing fiber optic cables. Feels well made. Strong laser. I'm going on 3 weeks of the same batteries with it being used 2 to 3 hours a day 5 days a week. I work in the telco field, finding breaks and bends is made so much easier with this powerful light. Nice, I can change from solid to blinking. I also found tip replacements on Amazon if needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.